Maria's 7th birthday party, and what kind of theme is it?
Carnival.
Carnival theme.
And this one has a lot more stuff than all the other birthdays.
Yeah, all more than the other birthdays.
I just still have a picture on here.
Yep. So we got our cake room set up.
Here's my cake.
Yep, there's her cake.
Look, balloons.
Balloon says happy birthday Julia with a 7.
And we have clown noses to put on.
Clown noses to put on, and then what do we got there? What kind of piñata is that?
With a Pennywise one.
Who's Pennywise?
From It.
From It?
And
What kind of clown is he?
He's a dancing.
Oh, he's a dancing clown?
Yeah, and I actually like watching it.
Yes. Okay, well, let's go outside because everything's outside.
Go outside. Wait.
Everything is outside. Oh, would you look at this? Got some popcorn popping.
Merry popcorn!
Popcorn!
It's all popping!
Popcorn's a popping. Whoa! Did that thing get you? Yeah. And then we got our prizes. Kids are going to play the games. Okay, don't touch mine. So we got our prizes because the games that we're going to get ready to show you. Candy, funnel cakes. Cotton candy.
And a button.
And the button. And then we got the snacks.
We got
burgers and dogs. Lemonade and sweet tea.
A tent. A tent. Okay, that.
Little sign.
Where the clown is going to do the show.
Oh, you're having a clown? Yeah. Well, I think this line here is so that the kids can't go beyond that line.
But we can go through because the people aren't here yet.
Yeah, and we got a burlap sack race.
And I'll show you what we got next.
Okay, what do we got next? Nice.
Some games. We got some games next.
Oh, yes. What is it?
The ring toss.
Ring toss? You want to demonstrate it?
And this is where you can throw balls.
Yep.
And let me try to do it.
Whoa, she got them all down.
Birthday girl.
Yeah.
Birthday girls have to
Demonstrate the ring toss, Maya.
win. Birthday girls have to win.
Whoa.
I did do the thing. Uh-oh. Yay.
Go ahead, you demonstrate.
Oh,
Okay.
that one just jumped.
Okay, yep. What other game do we have here?
We have this game.
What is it?
Like it's the things where you can throw stuff right over here.
You throw the bean bags through?
And it's an ice cream.
Yeah, it's an ice cream.
Come here.
Oh, she got it through the top one. Oh, again.
When we made this, I asked he's a
Yeah.
bug.
Jeez, 4 in a row.
I knocked down 2.
5 in a row.
I knocked down 2. I knocked down 2 of these.
Ah, number 6 didn't go. Number 7, no. What's this game?
I'm gonna pool. This is the bottle game. I'm gonna pool.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna pool. Daddy, I'm gonna pool.
Well, we can't get in the pool because that's another game.
We put the. I can't get it. can't really put the ring through because you might want to. Why you have to catch them? And it was difficult to make it stand and not roll off.
Yep. Whoa!
And you have to try to make it stand up.
Yeah, what do we got here?
A duck game.
Okay, what do we do with this duck game?
You have to catch some ducks.
Don't do that, Maya.
You catch one duck, and then you see how many points you got.
Yeah.
Mom, can you hold my glasses?
Yeah, I didn't think my audience was going to be this big for my
I think it fits good.
free magic tricks. Julia. Okay, so you look in here.
Josh, is this alright the way it is?
No handkerchiefs. Now, can you guys bring me some handkerchiefs to put in here?
Yeah.
You got a handkerchief underneath you. That's straw. You don't know what a handkerchief is.
Oh, no, I haven't been. Oh.
Shove her down in there. Hey, you don't do two. Give somebody else some. Okay, so that's two.
You wanna bring it?
You should make a business out of this one.
I'm sitting here.
Carolina, you want to do one?
Okay.
Okay.
Is that all the handkerchiefs I've placed out for you?
There's
What about one right there?
Who didn't go?
So I didn't. Maya's gonna do it.
Okay. So what's the magic words, Julia? Since it's your birthday, what's the magic words? To create this magic, what's your magic words? Huh?
Glasses.
Glasses. Okay, so on 3, everybody say glasses. One, 2, 3.
Glasses.
Awesome! Wow, how did you do that?
Magic.
Wait. Can you do that again? I didn't see it.
I didn't see it.
I'm intrigued.
Okay, so we got this here rope.
Okay.
Here, take his fuzz. Okay, so we got this rope here. Julie, can you come grab this rope? Grab it. Oh, you scared the magic off. Okay, go sit back down. Let's get it all nice and straightened out. Okay, there it went again. This rope is scared of you. Hey, get back behind the white line. This is like seeing the President of the United States. Here, hold that. Look, buddy's got the magic. He's got the magic touch. Come on, buddy. Okay.
He's like, no, this is scary.
I need an adult to help me with this next magic trick. I need you to light this.
Oh, I got it. Buddy can do it. I should be smart enough.
You would think, but you never
I
know.
know you took. You try don't cross the
Okay.
line.
Yep. Get a little over so the camera could see you.
See, it's there. It's just invisible.
It's there, but it's invisible. Okay, well, on 3, let's say glasses. On 3. 3, 2, 1. Glasses!
Pretty cool.
Oh, wow. That's so cool.
There it is.
I want that dog.
Birthday girl.
I want a pink dog.
Birthday girl gets it first. She wants a pink dog. Birthday girl, come up and get your dog with the extra long tail. One ticket here.
Set, go! That's not fair, Stephen!
Ready, set, go. Okay, bud. Get her, easy.
Happy birthday.